Okay, so the end of the story for this one for right now is the guy who owns the car. He's a really good, high-end, very honest car salesman for only rare cars, and he fixes everything correctly. He takes no shortcuts, and he doesn't want this done incorrectly for his customer. So since this is like the third or fourth video that maybe I've released, and I'll keep my profanity down to a minimum now because I'm calmed down now. It's about 20 minutes later. So that's all the oil that shouldn't have been there from the shop who told me he did flush it with the second burnt out compressor on there. This is the receiver that he reused after a burnt out compressor with debris in it, and he didn't change it because I could see when I take a picture and I go right down into the bottom of the glass, it's all dirty. I explained that in one of the last videos. And so he's not going to bring this car back to that shop again, and he's going to use somebody else. He's going to talk to him. He's also a Mercedes specialty place, but he's going to contact me, and I'm more than happy to walk him through my procedures and teach him my method using nitrogen and properly flushing and flushing solvents, and not skimping on everything, because this used car salesman, he does not skimp or bypass replacing or fixing or cleaning any parts. He's really honest, and he sells the most expensive high-end old cars in the best condition you can possibly find. This is a really rare guy. I really like his honesty, his integrity as a car salesman. I don't even like calling him a car salesman because he's beyond that. And so yeah, I am going to walk to whoever the new guy is, because it's a lot of manual labor. I don't do this manual labor. I don't go under the dash and take things off. This is simple manual labor that any and everybody should do. And shops who don't do this kind of clean out on works after compressor burnouts, they need to be shut down. They need their bank accounts and all their assets taken away from them, from their ill-gotten gains. They need to be put out of business and never allowed in the automotive. They can't even change oil or rotate tires. They need to be sent to McDonald's to flip burgers for the remainder of their life. That's about it. Really don't like shop owners like this. All right, who do that stuff. All right, have a good time, guys. See ya.